I'd like to share with you the most special recipe that I have on my site, my mother-in-law's cucumber recipe. While she's no longer with us, her cucumber recipe absolutely lives on. Start with 3 English cucumbers, slice them nice and thin. Get them into a Ziploc bag, one of the many things that I love about this recipe. Now let's cut up some onions nice and thin. Don't add them if you don't like them. I happen to love onions. Now let's make the marinade. Start with a half a cup of vinegar, a quarter of a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a good mix. Get that in your bag. Mix it all together. Get those onions and cucumbers combined. Now let's get it into the fridge. We're going to marinate it. Every few hours, just flip it. Marinate it as long as you can. The longer the better. It is absolutely one of the most delicious recipes. Please, from the bottom of my heart, share your recipes with your family. You have no idea how warm my heart feels when I make this recipe and see my boys eat it and know that they are thinking and remembering their grandmother with every bite. We love this recipe and cherish it, and I hope you love it too.